Dear friends, greetings to all. Today's topic is statistical methods and experimental methods. These methods are concerned with the knowledge factor of an individual. The acquiring the knowledge, expanding the knowledge of the individual, these two methods are helping much. In early period, the people acquired knowledge through perception and intuition. It is a matter of a choice only. Perception and intuition means they will get the idea from their own view and not concerned with about others. And getting the idea, sometimes that may be wrong only. But ordinary people, this is the case. Whereas some people are forming theory and making inventions in olden days itself. Even then they are not going to school or having any formal education. That may be some kind of vision and some kind of knowledge got from the God only. That how invention took place by the Wright brothers. Invention of aeroplane. Now we have done innovation and later more modification of the basic idea. Then Thomas Alva Edison, so electric bulb he invented. Like that, some kind of knowledge they acquired from the heaven and did things. But now what happened means people acquire knowledge through scientific methods rather than a matter of chance. So in the scientific methods, there are two methods available. One is experimental method and another one is statistical method. In the experimental method, through some kind of experiment and conducted, and after that only they have the belief that this is the fact. So how experiments are conducted in laboratories for physics, chemistry, botany, zoology. They are conducting the experiments and finally proving that these are all things. And thereby they getting the idea and knowledge about the fact. In the social sciences, what happen means the individual study and acquire knowledge through grouping the study area into two segments. One is the control group and another one is experimental group. So since this is experimental method, we are concerned with this experimental group and control group. That experimental group is given some novel treatment, whereas control group is without any without any special treatment. They are in normal treatment only. For example, the production of rice in field, paddy, the lands may be divided into different segments and some fertilizer may be applied for the experimental group and control group will be given normal fertilizer, and at the harvest time one can come to the conclusion through the output, then to what extent that output is greater in or low due to the special treatment can be measured. For the special training, coaching for the employees are all coming under this category. Then about the statistical method, this is the people get the knowledge through the forming causal relationship, cause and effect, collecting data and stating that what is the reason for happening certain thing, what is the reason for the behavior of the consumers like that. So all consumers now shifted to some other kind of product. Then what is the reason for that? Like that, some students are studying well, some are not studying well. What are the reasons for that? Then acquire the knowledge that can be utilized for the benefit of their own children. So cause and relationship, thereby knowledge is acquired. So knowledge is the power. So acquiring knowledge is the basic matter in the experimental method and statistical method. Okay, thank you very much.